Did you know the Earth spins at a staggering speed of over 1,600 kilometers per h at the equator? This rotation shapes everything we experience, day, night, and even the winds we feel. But what if one day Earth just stopped spinning? The consequences would be catastrophic. The Earth's rotation is more than just a daily rhythm. It's the engine driving our weather systems, ocean currents, and even our sense of time. Let's dive into what would happen if this vital motion came to a sudden halt. In this hypothetical scenario, if Earth stopped spinning instantly, the atmosphere would continue moving at its original speed. This would unleash supersonic winds of over 1,600 kilometers per h, demolishing everything in their path. Coastal areas would face massive tsunamis as oceans sloshed violently, redistributing water across the globe. Meanwhile, regions facing the sun would experience endless, scorching heat, while the other half of the planet would be plunged into freezing darkness. Scientifically, a stationary Earth would alter gravity's effect slightly, pulling water toward the poles and reshaping continents. Without rotation, the Coriolis effect would vanish, disrupting weather patterns and creating chaotic, stagnant atmospheric conditions. Temperature differences would become extreme, with one side of the planet becoming a scorching desert and the other an icy wasteland. Ecosystems would collapse, and human survival would hinge on artificial environments and advanced technology. The most shocking outcome? Without rotation, the Earth's magnetic field would weaken over time. This field shields us from harmful solar radiation. A weaker field would expose the planet to deadly cosmic rays, making Earth's surface uninhabitable over millennia. In summary, Earth's rotation isn't just a convenient feature, it's essential for maintaining life. A non-rotating Earth would bring chaos, extreme weather, and eventual uninhabitability. It's a humbling reminder of the delicate balance that sustains us. What do you think about this wild scenario? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights.